Hello everyone. This is Sir Rajesh who is donating plasma tonight. This apparatus is called a cell separator. What you see here, the yellow thing is the plasma, which can prove to be an elixir to any person suffering from COVID-19 today. And this is something that people are craving for all across the country. Yes, and here is Sir Rajesh donating. I'm not such a pro making a video, but still, Sir Rajesh has been very kind.
I would recommend anybody who's allowed to donate or capable of donating to come and donate. It will save a lot of lives. Today, my plasma is going to 2 people, and hopefully, it will save their lives. I would seriously recommend people to donate.
Very glad to hear that.
And the most important thing is some news to me that all the piping which has come and the separation of plasma and the platelets and all the components of the blood is done in a very clean manner. Nothing goes into the machine. Everything is disposable, and they change it after every person uses it.
Exactly.
Which makes it very safe.
Correct.
And no chance of contamination in any way.
Wonderful. What Sir Rajesh just explained right now, I'm just going to brief it by showing you the device itself. What you see here is called a cell separator. This box has a centrifuge inside it. Any person who is donating plasma, who is willing to donate plasma, his blood is going to go into this centrifuge. The centrifuge has a bag attached to it. I'm very sorry that I'm not able to show you the centrifuge exactly. Let me try. I think you can see the centrifuge spinning. That's a centrifuge. And the blood gets separated based on its density. Our blood has 3 components, major components in it. One is platelet, another is plasma, and another is packed red blood cells. So red blood cells, plasma and platelets get separated in general. In this procedure right now, plasma is getting separated and it is getting collected in a separate bag. And all these things happen through the capillaries here, and all the blood that has been collected, only the plasma gets separated. And you can see that there is a plastic frame here, this one. This will be removed and it will be discarded once this donation is complete. And the red blood cells you see here will return to Sir Rajesh's body soon after the donation is complete. And what you see in the middle is the plasma, which will be later transfused to anybody who is affected with COVID. Whoever the doctors deem need the plasma right now, it will be transfused to them. Generally, in one sitting, one attempt at donation, 500 ml of plasma is collected, and then it will be perhaps distributed to the donors. The patients, whoever is suffering.
And the procedure will take about 40 minutes approximately.
Correct.
And prior to this, they will do a test to find out how much antibodies you have with you in your body, and based on that, they will take it.
Exactly. Correct.
And they would have also done a lot of other tests,
right,
which will ensure that nobody is infected with either HIV or so many other tests. About 10 tests they will have to do before they can donate your plasma or blood to anybody else. And it's a very easy and clean procedure. Normally, once your antibody test takes about an hour and a half, after that you will have to come again and do the actual blood donation, the plasma donation. I recommend all people to do this, whoever can.
And there have been a lot of people who have recovered from COVID, but not many people are being as generous as Sir Rajesh himself is, and a couple of other people who already donated. Having COVID has become a community epidemic. It's a pandemic.